Today we're making hottdeok or Korean sweet pancakes, a beloved street food especially during the winter. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with warm, gooey sweetness. It's easy to make and perfect for baking with your kids or partner. So let's dive right in. You'll only need a few simple ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, olive oil, sugar, and optionally, nuts and cinnamon powder. The exact measurements will be shown on the screen during each step and written in the description below. For this recipe, we'll make 4 portions of hottdeok. Let's start by making the dough. In a bowl, mix half a cup of water not hot with 2 grams of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir well until the yeast dissolves. Now pour this yeast mixture into a cup of flour. Don't worry too much about being exact. This isn't delicate baking. Mix until you get a sticky dough. Then add 2 grams of salt and half a tablespoon of olive oil and mix again until the dough becomes smooth and stretchy. Cover the dough with plastic wrap or a damp towel and let it rest in a warm place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, punch the air out, fold it, and punch again. And repeat until the air is gone. Cover it again and let it rest for another 20 minutes. Repeat this process once more. Then for the final stage, let it rest for 40 minutes. By the end, the dough will have doubled in size, becoming soft, elastic, and ready to use. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. If you're using raw nuts, roast them in a pan without any oil. Crush the roasted nuts and mix them with sugar. Adjust the sugar to your taste for sweetness. For sweetness, 3 tablespoons of sugar work best. But if you prefer a healthier option, 2 tablespoons are great too. Finally, add a pinch of cinnamon to taste. That's all up to you. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 4 equal portions. Put some oil in your hands and flatten each portion into a small circle on your hands and place about 2 tablespoons of filling in the center. Pinch the edges together to seal the filling inside. Heat a pan over medium heat with a bit of oil. Place a dough ball same side down and gently press it with a spatula to flatten. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. While one side cooks, shape the next dough. It takes about 2 minutes per ball. Be careful when handling the pancakes. The melted sugar filling will be very hot. And that's how you make hottdeok at home. Crispy on the outside, warm and gooey on the inside. It's a perfect treat for a cold winter day. Want to make it to the next level? Serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an amazing dessert experience. This is one of the easiest desserts you can make at home, so give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe please. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.